In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the age restriction in Steam. Now first what you need to do is, as you can see, I have the family view on right now. You click on it, and from here you're gonna enter your PIN that you made. Now I'm out of the family view, so now I can see all the games instead of some of them. Now if you want to turn the family view, press the Steam button, go into the settings. From here you should see one that says family. Click on it, and from in here you should see family view. You're going to click on manage, then you will come to this page. From here you're going to click disable family view. Disable. Now it is disabled. So that means now you don't have the age restriction anymore on your Steam account. And it's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching.